Feeling lost when people leave you? God never leave you, my friend. Him never leave you, no matter what go on, him not gonna leave you. Even when people leave you, family, friends, them so about you. Some people, when trouble lick, them only call you if you find out your business. Them not really care how you're feeling, or care what go on with you. They don't care if you need help. They just want to know, say you're in the gutter. But me write one poem, 3 lines, he say, it's morning, my moon and stars have disappeared, and so have you, oh my. But when me want to share with your friend, even at the darkness when people walk away, God still there. Him there with you. When nobody know there, God there, him never leave your side. Him light shine through when all feel, him never feel. So if you feel abandoned today, my friend, look up and remember God's there with you. God there with you at all times, no matter what go on. So what me want to say to you is, even when they leave you, nobody worry about them. Nobody worry about them. Don't care what them want to say about you. No put them on practice. What me want to say to you is, keep God as your focus, because Him not going to leave you. No matter what kind of condition you're in, God not leave you. Friend, who else need to remember God's love today, that it never abandon you, even when people abandon you? If you like this message, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for more inspirational encouragement. God love you first, and so do I. Peace.